ये ऐसे केबल लेंस है
બંધ થઈ ગયો કેમેરો
ક્યાંથી બંધ થઈ ગયો
હા કે ધવલભાઈ કે જીતુ કાકા તમારો કેમેરો બંધ બોલે
એ તો હવે એને જોવાનું સમસ્યા પ્રોબ્લેમ બીજો હશે
શું કે શું થયું
આપણે બોલાઈ બોલો તેમાં ભલાકા છે
શું થયું કોને બોલાવવાનું ધવલકા
एक शूट लेना एक
YouTube, right? Hello. Hello. ના હવે મેં પતી કે મારો વાક છે એમાં
नीचे केबल है ध्यान से आना जब इस तरफ से आ जाइए पीछे से
આ કરાવી દઉં અવાજ મ્યુટ
ભાઈ પછી ટાઈમ મળે ને તો તમારા કેમેરાનો અવાજ મ્યુટ કરી દેજો
એટલે મેં ઉતારી લીધો કેમેરો એ હવે વચ્ચે આવ્યો હતો ને
આપણે જવાબદારી રાખી નહીં પહેલા હું અંડર કરતો હતો પણ આખું ગામ લઈ જાય લાવે
બંધ કરીને સારું કર્યું
ને આવી ગઈ સેન્સર હશે ક્યાં તમારું હા એટલે બંધ થઈ જાય છે
મેનું કાં
your favorite comment. Okay, it's a brawl match between number 9 and number 8, and the number 9 of Kerala was able to take the ball going towards the goal post, and that was a nice shoot, got blocked by the goalkeeper of Cochin Shipyard Limited. The ball is with number 8 of Bengal. They're fighting for the ball. And the brawl match. The ball is in possession of number 7, Bengal. And there's a beautiful maneuver by number 7. He has 3 defenders on him. And he was not able to get the ball towards the goal posts. The ball is with number 9 of Tamil Nadu Bisons. And that was a clean. Still fighting for the ball at the halfway line.
Hello, this is Navya. The ball is with number 9 of Tamil Nadu Bisons. He stops for a minute. He's passing the ball. West Bengal Sixth Sense is on the attack. Number 8, right behind number 9. Ball is with number 3 of Tamil Nadu Bisons.
The ball is in possession of number 9 Tamil Nadu. Going for and was not able to get it. Blocked by number 7. We would like to thank our sponsors, Bright Volunteers. They are doing an excellent job. I myself am the team leader of Bright. The ball is in possession of number 8. Number 7, they're going for the ball, going for the kick, and it was blocked by number 8. Trying to get the ball, and he's going for the shot. Oh, he was able to beautifully move around, and that was all. And he was not able to. West Bengal. Number 7, he's dribbling. He has 3 defenders on him. And that's
The goalkeeper takes a kick. Number 7 of West Bengal taking the kick. 2 defenders on him. The ball's with number 9 taking the lead of Tamil Nadu. He passes it to number 3. Number 7 running to.
and he has 2 defenders on his initial hanging with the ball, trying his best, and is in possession of number 7. And the referee blows his whistle. The ball is in possession of number 9 of the Tamil Nadu Bisons. He's going for the goal. He's going for the goal. That's excellent dribbling. 3 defenders on him. Going back to the half line. Trying to regain the control of the ball.
Environment and rehabilitation of people with all categories of disabilities. Founded in 1965 by Jagdish K. Patel. The halftime break is over and the ball is with number 8 of West Bengal. He shoots but he misses.
The ball is in possession of no one right now. There was an air ball by number 9. The ball is currently in possession of number 3 of the Tamil Nadu Bisons. Is going towards the goal post. Misses a shot. And the ball is now has been recollected right into the hands of the Singh of Tamil Nadu. Let's see what he can do this time. He has one of the best dribbling skills we have seen in a blind athlete in a long time. You can see the spirit of the blind players. The athletes, they want to prove themselves towards the world. Even if it's raining, no matter what the calamities are, they're always gonna. And the ball is in possession of number 3. And he miscalculated the position, but it's still not bad. The ball is in possession of number 9 of the Tamil Nadu Bisons. He has 2 defenders on him. He's trying to guard the ball right now. And the ball, he did an amazing pass to number 3. And they are very close to the goal. Will this be the second goal of the event?
Ending. The coach blows the whistle. The ball's with number 3 of Tamil Nadu. Number 10 takes over the West Bengal. Oh, number 9 takes the fall and it's a goal!
And the ball is with number... Oh, he got intercepted by 2 people. The ball is with number 9. Can you do it again? And no, it was sadly blocked by the goalkeeper. We still have hope. Come on, number 9. The ball is with number 9. Trying to, oh my god, that was a crazy ankle break and he got intercepted. And he still... And he has the ball. He's single-handedly trying right on the last goal. That was one of the best goals I've seen in my life. The way he intercepted the ball, the way he faked with the players was absolutely crazy. And mind you, the goalkeepers are not blind here. And the ball is being Number 10 at the ball. There's a battle between the 2 titans of the 2 teams. And the ball is with number 3 again. Number 3 and number 9 trying to navigate the scene. And The ball is with number 6 of Tamil Nadu, and please come. And he got intercepted.
The ball goes out of his hand. Number 8 tackling with number 9. Number 9 with the ball. Come on, number 9. He goes the opposite direction, but coach. The ball's with number 8 of West Bengal. Tackling with number 8 of Tamil Nadu. The goalkeeper stops the ball. He's tackling with 2 defenders, number 6 and of West Bengal. Number 3 in pursuit. Number 9 of Tamil Nadu has the ball going towards the goal post. Number 9 with the ball, and he shoots, but he misses. In defense, we have number 3 of Tamil Nadu, who takes over the ball. Attacking number 8. Number 10 tries to shoot, misses. Number 10 shoots, but is intercepted by the goalie. Number 9 has the ball. He shoots, but he misses. He slips due to the rain.
The ball is with number 9. Let's see if he can pull off a miracle again. And an excellent pass to number 3, but he was not able to intercept it in time. There are 2 defenders on him. We can see the spirit of the players, the way they are playing. And the ball is to the half-line mark. Again with number 3. And the ball got intercepted by number 10 of West Bengal. The ball is with number 9. Both of them are trying to team up, trying to score a third goal against West Bengal. The Tamil Nadu. Ball is with number 8. Number 8 versus number 8 right now. The Singh of Tamil Nadu finally gets the ball. He prevails. He's going towards the goalie, putting pressure. We have number 9, number 3 both. And the ball got intercepted right into the hands of number 3. There was an excellent clash. Let's see if number 3 can outshine like he did again. And he is stuck between 3 defenders. He's trying his best. The defenders are on his ass. They're not letting him go. And that was a push. That was a clear push. And can he do it? 1 guy against 3. The number 3 against 3 guys. And the ball is with number 9. The ball is with number 9. Can he do it? Excellent dribbling, and that was a good shot. Fighting for the ball. Number 3, number 9, and number 9 kicked his own player, number 3. Can the West Bengal players bring the game back? It's a question only time can tell. The question only the time can answer. It's a Singh, number 8 of Tamil Nadu versus the West Bengal. Ball is in possession of number 9, and he lost the possession of the ball in a slight error of confusion. Guys, the rain is really taking a toll on the players right now. We can easily see that it's very evident, becoming into already an existingly hard game to play in the rain. Now there's a lot of confusion fighting with the ball. And नहीं सूखेगी ना अब तो. The ball is in possession, and it's in possession of number 3. Bengal players can turn this game around, and the ball is still in possession of number 7 of the West Bengal player. The ball is in possession of number 9. He's going, and he got pushed by the West Bengal players. They're trying to get the ball, but it's leading nowhere from one side of the court to another. Okay, number 3 has the ball. He lost the control of the ball. There's a slight bit of confusion, and can number 3 score? And he got intercepted.
The balls with number 8 of West Bengal. Number 7 and number 8 of West Bengal. Number 3 of Tamil Nadu passes the ball to number 9. Number 9 intercepting the ball, goes straight for the goal but is fouled. Number 7 takes over the ball. West Bengal in pursuit. Number 9 takes over the ball, dribbling it. Number 7 of West Bengal takes. Number 6 passing the ball to number 3, Tamil Nadu in pursuit. Number 3 heading towards the goal post, and he shoots but he misses. And that is the match. Tamil Nadu wins. Congratulations to the team.